I have this area. This is right by my front door when you walk in, the side table. We do use that drawer, so I couldn't have that stuff coming down, and then those are my reusable bags when I'm going out the door. But I normally don't decorate this for the holidays, and now I do. I think this is just gonna be like my theme of the year, is like spooky, witchy, like her little desk, what it would look like. I got this from Michael's this year. It's like a little typewriter, it says help. This jar is from Daiso Japan this year. The bones are from Dollar Tree. You can't really tell, but there's spider webs I draped across with that gauze stuff everywhere. This candelabra is from Michael's, 40% off. These candles, they're red and battery operated. Those are from Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack. This bat is from Dollar Tree, and it has like little hooks on its feet, so it literally just hangs on the frame. This like faux window, I made that from Dollar Tree. It's just for canvas. It's those blank white canvas arts. You just rip off the canvas and stain the wood, and I glued them together. So it's kind of like a little farmhouse window. This guy, oh, I love him. I got him new. He's from TJ Maxx, but look at his eyes. Not in person. I mean, I don't know about on video, but they are so bright, like headlights. I was like, oh my gosh, but he's stacked on 3 little books. The spider webs continue up into our light. And then I got this at Target Dollar Spot. It's a metal like little bird cage. Now that I know I'm hanging it, I should have got the plastic one from the 99-cent store, but oh well. And then I have this little bird I shoved in there. He's from Dollar Tree. The webs come right back down. This beware sign is from Dollar Tree. It's all glittered up. This witch is from the Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. These little candle holders are from Dollar Tree. I like how they were 2 different sizes. The little tea lights, Dollar Tree. I should have got red ones for these, but I'm not sure if it would have looked funky, or because it looks good in that thing, but I don't know if it would have looked good in those. Next, we have this little potions like brew bar thing. This was $5 this year from Target Dollar Spot. This little jar is from Daiso Japan. This little jar is from Daiso Japan. Look how tiny they are. I still gotta peel off the freaking label. I hate those things. And I just disassembled one of the little skeletons from Dollar Tree's. Eyeballs from Dollar Tree. Some like glitter stick that I had left over. I just put it up there. That's from Dollar Tree. He's from Dollar Tree. This little lantern is from Dollar Tree. My candles, they do light up. But I didn't light those for the sake of this video. And then when the air conditioning kicks on, the spider webs below, and I just have the little creepy spiders everywhere. And I'm loving how spooky this turned out. There we go. I lit the candles, and now that I'm looking at it, I got orange-ish, yellowy orange, red. I got all sorts of lights going on. But yeah, now I'll show you some other little spots that I decorated. Next, I have this little like antique chest. My formal living room, and I have this little tray, which I always have here. Those books I always have there. And then I added these guys. These are from Target Dollar Spot. They were $3. I altered them because it said Home Sweet Farm. Again, 99-cent store. That skull is from the 99-cent store. This sign is from the 99-cent store. It was like $1.99. I just altered it and put that Hocus Pocus in there. We'll put my alteration video. Just added some spider web coming across the front of it. Next, I have this area as my fireplace. This little banner is from Target Dollar Spot this year. Happy Halloween, and like a burlap. And down here, I have this Something Wicked sign. That's from the 99-cent store. It was like $3.99. It stands up on its own with like the little leg in the back. Little skull is from Dollar Tree. Those are some of my fall home decor that I left out because they still went with, you know, Halloween. They're just not as spooky. The Magnolia Market showed a project share on that thing. Then I did this area. This is my kitchen table that we eat at every day. I have these jars that have candles. I've already had those there. And then another decor piece, but I took that away and I put this. This dome is from the 99-cent store. It was like $1 something, $1.99. That skull is from Dollar Tree. This is from Daiso Japan. It's a cute little like coffee thing, but I wanted to put like a sticker, some type of Halloween sticker on there. These are from Dollar Tree, the garland, this mesh stuff, again, at Dollar Tree. These are from Target Dollar Spot. Came in a 3-pack. I altered this. This is from Hobby Lobby. I just changed the word to say boo. Loving this. Then, of course, this 3-tier tray, which I already showed in a video showing how I decorated it. And yeah, I will leave that video down below. All right, thank you guys for coming along with me while I showed you some spooky home decor. And to think I was originally only going to decorate this tier and then it kind of spread like wildfire through my house. All right, bye guys.